Ready?
Nope. Ready?
Hey, let's do it.
Hey everybody, it is Brian Bernasconi and Dan Rubnitz, the Brian and Dan Silicon Valley real estate team, www.briananddan.com, right?
Correct.
Correct. We are here today in a beautiful Cambrian neighborhood outside of 5237 Allen Avenue, A-L-A-N, 5237 Allen Avenue, and we could not be more excited about. You're super excited about this house. You're so excited. Do you need to kind of like celebrate a little bit?
No, you're doing that for me. Thanks.
This house is great. It's in a beautiful neighborhood, great street, great location, right? We're a very short distance from an elementary school, Noddin Elementary. It gets great scores. People love Noddin Elementary. Yep. You're in the Union Middle School and you're in Leigh High School here, right? And you've got great access to Highway 85, not that far away. So very centrally located.
Shopping centers,
grocery stores. Oak Ridge Mall is just like a little bit away that way. Los Gatos is just a little bit away that way.
Campbell's a little over this way.
It's like right in the middle of everything. It's a great location. It's a great house. It's 5 bedrooms. It's 3 full bathrooms. It's 2,338 square feet on an 8,084 square foot lot. You're gonna love this house, and it's dialed. Right? I mean, it's beautiful inside. It looks great. Okay, I think I've talked enough.
Let's go see inside it.
Yes, let's go see inside.
You got me pumped up.
I do. Can I see you a little pumped up?
Let's go.
Okay. Entree.
So come on into this, oh, puberty. Come on into this great house.
Nice, big, bright kitchen, fully remodeled, right? They've got these beautiful pendant lights up here, a center island with a sink. You've got stainless appliances. You've got a built-in oven here and a microwave that is also a convection oven. Gas range, hood fan, lots of nice, beautiful upgraded cabinets in here, right? I mean, they're all soft close, really great, beautiful cabinetry and lots of storage.
Brian, we also have 3 eating areas in the kitchen. There's a breakfast bar.
Yep.
There's a formal eating area.
Yep.
And then we also have a breakfast eating area.
Yeah.
Breakfast or everyday dining area, we could call it.
Right.
And Brian, the kitchen also flows into this great family room.
It does. It flows into this nice, big, beautiful family room, right? And you've got a big open space. You've got a fireplace. You've got the sliding glass door over there. Very comfortable space, nice big space. I also wanted to point out, you got these beautiful hand-scraped wood, nice hardwood floors. We'll come back in and see the rest of the house. But I wanted to just point out, it's an 8,084 square foot lot. So the backyard is actually really, really big.
It's also nice that off of the family room area, we have a full bathroom and the laundry area.
Yeah,
so there's
exactly.
A full shower in here. I want to tell you, one of the reasons it's nice that there's a full shower down here is because the seller did add an upstairs bedroom. There is an upstairs, but it is only 1 bedroom up here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
take a look.
Yeah, come on. Bedroom upstairs, great for an in-law. Would be great if you wanted to put your home office up here, or if you've got a teenager, maybe you could turn it into a music room or a hobby room or a craft room. I mean, it's 5 bedrooms total. The rest of the bedrooms are down on the ground floor. And then you've got 1 bedroom that's upstairs, which is a great little getaway. And you got a pretty little view out the window here. I mean, it's kind of cool. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go back through the kitchen and into the formal living room, okay?
Yes.
Got French doors here in case you want to close this off. Also want to point out throughout the whole house, you've got recessed lighting and crown molding, upgraded baseboards.
Another wood-burning fireplace in the living room.
In the living room. Got these doors that could shut the living room off in case people want to be separate and have a conversation in there.
Have children sleeping.
While your kids are sleeping, exactly. Yeah. You can watch TV or whatever. Beautifully remodeled hall bathroom. First downstairs bedroom, so 1 of 4 bedrooms downstairs.
This is the 2nd bedroom. Again, all of them have the dual pane windows and the baseboard and trim.
And this is the 3rd downstairs bedroom. You got a nice big window, you got the crown molding, You've got the upgraded baseboard.
So this is the master.
Yeah,
It's
nice and
kind of
big.
nice and big,
Big
light and bright.
windows. Yep.
Mirrored closet doors.
Mirrored closet doors, the baseboard, the crown molding, and the recessed lighting, and then a really nicely upgraded bathroom. Go ahead and take a look at that.
I do have a question for you. What do I have to do to be able to see this great house?
Oh, that is such a great question.
Thank you.
You are going to go to 5237 AllenAvenue.com. 5237 AllenAvenue.com. Or, of course, where else can they go to get information?
www.briananddan.com.
briananddan.com.
Right.
And I want to just also say, we work with a lot of sellers. We make videos for people that we're selling houses for, right? But we also work with buyers. I don't want you out there looking at this video thinking, oh, too bad they only work with sellers. We also work with buyers.
Well, more importantly, we work with our clients and their referrals, and that's where we get our business.
We get most of our business from referrals. So if you know of somebody who's thinking about buying or selling a house, don't hesitate to have them call us. We've got 45 years of experience. We've been selling real estate for a couple of lifetimes. And so we'd love to take care of anybody that you know who needs fantastic service and a lot of experience.
In the meantime, we look forward to seeing you at our open house on this property coming up soon.
Saturday and Sunday this weekend. Yeah.
Great.
Ready?
Ready. 1,
2,
3. Cut!